Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Lauraida and I'm here with another video. And in today's video, I will be reinstalling this wig that I got from Dynasty virgin hair. And what's crazy is I already recorded a video of me installing it, but my camera died in the middle of me filming. So I'm not gonna lie, I gave up and was like, fuck it. But I was like, I have to record myself installing this wig because when I have this wig on, y'all, I be looking like a bad bitch. This is my new baby. Like, I love this wig. I decided to name her Sabrina. But anyways, yeah, so I will be installing this wig today. I just washed it and re-flat ironed it and all of that. This is a wig from, it's a pre-colored wig from Dynasty virgin hair, and it's a ginger wig. Yeah, I have a discount code for you guys to use if you want to order. I'll have it on the screen. But yeah, let's just get into installing this wig. As you can see, my hair is cornrowed. You don't have to do it any particular type of way. I obviously didn't care about how mine looked. I mean, it's going to be under a stocking cap, so it really doesn't matter as long as it's flat. Just try to get it as flat as you can, because the flatter the foundation, the flatter the wig will be. So keep that in mind. So yeah, I did my little cornrows, and now I'm going to take some Got To Be. I'm pretty sure if you watch any other wig videos, you'll see them use this. I'm going to use this to push back any extra edges that may be out, because you don't want your edges to come off. And people that be trying wigs or wear wigs always talk about how their edges be coming out, and I don't know, I feel like it's probably because you don't put your edges back, like, duh. So yeah, I'm just going to put this all over my hairline, and make sure you get the sideburns, because I feel like that's what, yeah. So you want to use, I'm using a spoolie from an old eyebrow pencil, and you just want to push it back like this. Push it back, and make sure you get every single piece of hair, because you do not want your edges to be taken away. The whole point of a wig is to be a protective style, and how is it protective if it's taking your edges? Like, you see how I don't got no hairs hanging out? Yeah, so, and this dries pretty quickly, so you just wanna, I like to rub it back like this so it can just mold. So after you do this, what you want to do is take your wig cap. I preferably like to use the nude one, but the beauty supply store I went to didn't have one in stock, so I'm using the white one, and I'm just going to put foundation on over it like so. So it looks like this. And what you want to do is you want to cut some holes in the ear so you can have it lay flat by your ear tab, just like that. So it'll be nice and flat, and it'll be easy for you to do the ear tab part. And I'm just using a razor comb, but I would normally use scissors. So yeah. Okay, so like I said earlier, now what I'm going to do is use some wig glue. This is the wig glue that I use. Is it gonna focus? Yeah. So I use the Bold Hold. I just started using this and I love this. Actually, it's way better than Got To Be. But yeah, so I'm going to just put, I'm gonna put the glue right above my hairline, like literally right above it. And this actually makes your wig cap blend so good with your into your scalp. Like it won't rise up for real if it would just come out. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this right above where my hairline is. So I'm just putting little dots. Just like that. Smooth it in. You just want to make sure it's all flat. You do not want it to be like bubbles of glue, you know. You want it to be nice and smooth. Before I cut it, I'm going to put foundation on top so it can match my scalp. Okay. So now that I did that, I'm gonna cut it. Once again, I'm using my razor thingy. Did I fuck up? I think I did. I just... I fucked up. Okay, it's not a problem. It's not a problem, y'all. I thought everything was going good and then this happened. So it's okay though. It's okay. We're gonna fix it. Okay, y'all. So I kind of fixed it. I'm sorry. I had to get on camera and fix it because it just wasn't working out. But anyway, so after you have the ball cap on, you want to take your wig, and you also want to make sure that you put foundation on the bottom of the wig as well. Lightly brush it onto the wig, and you could focus it mainly on where you plan your part on being, because I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I don't really switch my parts that much when I wear a wig. I'd have to like take the wig all the way off and then do it. So I just basically put it in the middle because I'm gonna do a middle part. So I just basically focus it all in the middle, put it like on the edges too. You want the edges to blend. So yeah, do that. I'm gonna try the wig on. Ooh. You see that? It's already blending. I love this wig, y'all. I don't know if y'all could tell, but this has, oops. This has become like my new color. Like, I've always wanted ginger hair, but like, what? Yeah, so I'm just gonna comb it. I'm gonna comb the hairs back. One thing that I like to do before I apply my wig is I like to hot comb the hairs back so that you can easily see what you're doing and you won't get no hair in the way while you're applying it or anything like that. So I'm just gonna comb the hairs back like how I had them. Like so. Yes, this is going to be great. I have a good feeling about this install. Okay, so you want to make sure you put your wig where you want it. Make sure it's placed correctly. All that. So I have it placed where I want it. Make sure you test it. Make sure it's even. Now you want to peel it back. Now to the fun part. But first, I'm going to clean off the edges. So just take a little bit of alcohol. Try not to get it on the cap because then your cap is gonna start sliding back and you're gonna have to do this process all over again. So you just wanna be careful with that. And as you can see, I really messed up on this side, but honestly, y'all, I don't care. Because I'm just gonna still put on the wig. I just don't have time. But honestly, one thing that I will say about installing wigs is you really got to take your time because stuff like this can happen. But I mean, I don't really mind it. I'm going to use 3 layers of this bold hold, just because I want it to stay on for a while. So I'm just going to start by placing some in the middle portion. I like to start in the middle and then work my way to the sides. So yeah. So as you can see, I put the glue right above my hairline, so no edges will be taken over here. Now I'm just spreading out the glue. Hopefully I didn't put it too far above because it's a fucking bitch to clean the glue off of your forehead once it's dry. Like, make sure you put it in the right place. But I be freestyling shit. I don't be really that precise, so yeah, just do that. I'm gonna let this dry. I'm actually blow dry it. Okay, now I'm going with my second layer. And now the third layer. Oop. That's a lot. Just place it over. Yes, period. It's already looking good. And make sure you press it really good. And you also want to make sure you comb the hairs back so no hairs will get stuck in the glue. I'm just gonna pull these out because I don't know what those are doing. Okay, so now it's time to do the sides. Okay. And one thing I do like about this glue is the wig is not gonna go anywhere. When I first put this wig on, I like to not, my wig lasted so long without lifting at all. I don't know what it was, but it was not lifting. But I'm just gonna do 2 layers for the sides because I don't know, I don't really put that many layers on the sides because my sides don't really have a problem with lifting. So I'm gonna do both at the same time actually. Second layer. Okay, now I'm gonna carefully place it in the glue. Okay. Now we have it on. Take the clips down. And yes, it's laid. I'm not sure if I want to do baby hairs though, because oh, I still have to do this part. I'm gonna wait for that to dry, but do y'all see it? Do y'all see it? I fucking love this wig, like for real. Like I don't think I'm ever like not like this wig. Like usually I get color wigs and I be like, oh, I'm tired of this color, but I love this color. I think it's because it's like a really natural tone. Like it's not a overly unnatural color, you know. And it just looks really good on me. That's just that. Period. Oh my god. Y'all be so happy when I put new hair on, like, honestly. This shit makes my day. Lay them little edges down and look at it. This is really how I be when I'm doing my hair by myself. Please don't think this is an act. I really be in the mirror like, so cute. Okay, so yeah. I think I'm definitely gonna curl this wig because I've been wearing it straight since I got it. So I'm gonna put some little curls in it, but I'm gonna tie it down first because it needs to be like extra melted. Alright y'all, so I am about to curl my hair. This is actually the first time I've curled this wig, so I'm very excited. I'm not gonna do like really small curls. I'm gonna do them pretty big because I don't really want like tiny curls. I want them to be kind of like defined and stuff. So I have my curling iron and I'm about to do it. I'm trying to figure out what's the way. I think it's this way. I'm just gonna curl it. First time curling it, so let's see. Hold it for 10 seconds. Ooh. Just squeeze it a little bit. Ouch. Yes. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of this got to be. Okay, now for this side. Okay, so I finished curling it. Now it's time to take off this band. Look at these. I may have to recurl them, but yeah. You definitely have to recurl the front. We coming up. I don't like how I want them to in my head right now. But you know, you get the vibes. You get the vibes. I don't think I'm gonna put baby hairs because I kind of like how it looks right now without them. So I tried to curl it, and honestly I'm gonna just leave it like this. I mean, it's still cute kind of, but I think, I don't know, maybe I need to add better layers or something. But for the most part, it's cute. I'm not putting baby hairs because I don't know, I don't really I might add it later on, but for right now I'm liking the no baby hair look, honestly. So I'm gonna just leave it like this, and yeah. So I'm gonna come back with my makeup done and show you guys the finished result. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm going to recurl my hair on camera because it worked out. So I'm gonna just show you guys how I curled it. I have my babyless curler, and you basically just want to curl it outwards. That. And I'm just doing some soft curls, so I don't need to do them like, I don't have to do the parts really small. Looks like this. I'm gonna recurl this side. I love this color, y'all. Comment below, let me know what y'all think about this hair color because I love it. I really do. Okay, so these are curls. this. I would say use some hairspray, but I tried using the Got2b and I didn't like how it like made it. So I'm just gonna comb it out a little bit. For some reason this side looks better than this side, but whatever. But yeah, this is the finished hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this hair. Make sure you go shop with them and get you a wig, because this wig is bomb and the hair is bomb. So yeah, I will be posting this makeup look in a separate video, so make sure you go check that video out, whether it's uploaded before or after this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.